Hello friends, we have another confusing trio, Ascent, Assent and Accent, which we not only mispronounce but also use incorrectly. This trio consists of Ascent, Assent and Accent, and it can lead to a chaos. Please assent to my proposal, you'll never get my assent. Is it Ascent or Assent? Yes, both are homophones and are pronounced the same. Clearly, in this sentence, we're talking about him getting the approval of his professor, hence why it's assent. We'll use the word assent. Where do we use assent? Assent denotes expression of approval or agreement. It can be used both as a verb and a noun. It's pronounced as assent or assent. His proposal received the assent of all the parties. Here assent is used as a noun. It means his proposal received the agreement of all parties. I am sure she won't assent. Here assent is used as a verb. It means I'm sure she won't agree. The principal assented to teacher's suggestion. Assent is used as a verb in the past tense and it means the principal agreed to teacher's suggestion. And where do we use ascent? Ascent denotes a climb, a high place, advancement or progress. Ascent is its verb form. It's pronounced as ascent or ascent. We ascended the mountains. The last part of the ascent was very steep. Here ascent is used in its verb form and it means we climbed the mountain and the last part of the climb was very steep. The climbers made their ascent carefully. The climbers made their climb carefully. His ascent to power was gradual. We're talking about his advancement to power. And finally, where do we use accent? Accent refers to a distinctive way of pronouncing or to emphasize something. It's pronounced as accent. I could understand his British accent easily. Your grandfather's accent is very different from yours. Here we're talking about the distinctive way of pronouncing. That blue top really accents her blue eyes. The blue top emphasizes her blue eyes. So remember, ascent means rise or upward movement, and assent means approval. Accent means distinctive way to pronounce or to emphasize. Let's take few examples. I refuse my assent to go forward with the plan. We use assent as we're talking about approval. He could speak English with different accents. Accent means different manners of pronunciation. It is easier to descend than to ascend. The ascent up the hill was very tiring. We're talking about the climb up the hill. So, ascend is the verb form of assent. Thank you so much for watching.